Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to remind me of unwatched videos. Click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us as me remind me of unwatched videos enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.